Good morning to all. Today we are going to learn about nominalization. In the examination point of view, it is a very important question for the 11th and 12th standard students. First, what is nominalization? Nominalization is the process of producing noun from another part of speech. Process of producing noun from another part of speech. Forming a noun from other parts of the speech, for example, a verb or an adjective or adverb, we have to form the noun. Example for this, read the sentence. After 1885, the trade with Europe grew. After 1885, the trade with Europe grew. Here this is the verb. We have to change this verb into a noun. After 1885, there was growth in trade with Europe. This is the verb. What is the present tense for this? Grow. What is the noun form for this? Growth. So using this word growth, we have to make another sentence without changing the meaning. You have to change the verb into a noun by making some changes in the sentence. After 1885, there was growth in trade with Europe. Here it is in the form of verb, here it is in the form of noun. This is called nominalization. Nominalization can be done in three ways. They are, first one is given here. By adding meant, T-I-O-N or S-I-O-N or any S's, A-T-I-O-N, I-T-Y, U-R-E and all A-L to verb and adjective. First one, encourage, it is the verb. Encouragement, we added meant with encourage. So encouragement, this is the noun form. This is in verb form, this is in noun form. Invent, this is also a verb by adding T-I-O-N. If you add T-I-O-N, it will become a noun. Then include, here we remove D-E, add S-I-O-N to form the noun. Next, careless, it is adjective, then we add NESS, it will become a noun. Carelessness, it is the noun. Next, admire, admiration, remove E and add I-O-N, T-I-O-N. This is the E, yes, G, H. Next, intense, this is also adjective. By adding I-T-Y, removing G and adding I-T-Y, we get intensity. This is the noun form of this adjective intense. Next, fail is the verb. Failure, this is the adjective. We added U-R-E with this word. Next, arrive, arrival. Remove E, add A-L to form noun. So here some of the verbs and some of the adjectives are changed into noun. Here we added T-I-O-N, here we added S-I-O-N, here we added N-E-S-S, and here we added T-I-O-N, here I-T-Y, here U-R-E, here A-L. So the first way to form noun by adding meant, T-I-O-N, S-I-O-N, N-E-S-S, A-T-I-O-N, I-T-Y, U-R-E and A-L to verb and adjective. Encourage, encouragement. Invent, invention. Include, inclusion. Careless, carelessness. Admire, admiration. Intense, intensity. Fail, failure. Arrive, arrival. The second way to form a noun is this. Some verbs can be changed into a noun without adding any suffix. For example, bleed, bled, lose, loss, prove, proof, sell, sale, speak, speech. Bleed, this is a verb. He bleeds. Blood comes from his nose. This is noun. Bleed, verb, blood, noun. Lose, loss. Lose, it is the verb. They lose their business. There is loss in their business. Lose, verb, loss, noun. Prove, proof. Prove, it is a verb. He proves his innocence. There is proof for his innocence. Next, sell, sale. They sell mangoes. Their mango sales is good. Speak, speech. Speak, it's a verb. Speech, it is a noun. He speaks well. His speech is good. He speaks well. His speech is good. The third way of forming a noun. Some of the verbs, in some of the verbs there is no change when it is used as a noun. The same form is used as noun also. Example, attempt, 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 attempt. They attempted to win. Their attempt to win is extraordinary. Change, it is a verb. He changed himself. There is a change in him. There is a change in him, noun. He changed himself, that is verb. Control, they control themselves. That is verb form. There is no control among them. That is noun form. Desire, I desire to become a doctor. My desire is to become a doctor. I have a desire to become a doctor. This is verb. I have a desire to become a doctor. I desire to become a doctor, verb. I have a desire to become a doctor, it is noun form. Escape, they escape. Here it is verb. In the noun form, their escape is miraculous. Their escape is miraculous. Here it is in the noun form. So we have studied the three forms of forming a noun from other parts of speech. We have studied three ways of forming noun from other parts of the speech. Shall give you some words. You have to form the noun form. Beautiful. Beautiful, it is an adjective. Can you say the noun form of beautiful? Beauty. Beauty. Then breathe, it is the verb. It is a verb. You have to change into a noun. Breath, B-R-E-A-T-H, breath is the noun form. Then enter, it is a verb. Noun form, entrance. Entrance is the noun form. Bathe, bath. I bathe in a river. I take bath in warm water. Then familiar, it is an adjective. What is the noun form for familiar? Familiarity is the adjective. Familiar, adjective. Familiarity is the noun. Generous, it is adjective. He is a generous man. Generous, adjective. Generosity, it is the noun form of generous. Dangerous, dangerous, it is an adjective. What is the noun form? Danger. Danger is the noun form. Then accept, it is a verb. What is the noun form of this verb? Acceptance. So beautiful, beauty. Breathe, breath. Enter, entrance. Bathe, bath. Familiar, familiarity. Generous, generosity. Dangerous, danger. accept, acceptance. Next, nominalize the following. You have to nominalize the following. It may be the other parts of speech. It may be a verb or it may be an adjective. We have to change the verb or adjective into a noun. He decided to buy a car. He decided to buy a car. Decided, it is the verb. Decided, it is a verb. Change this into noun. Decision. We have to make some changes to form a sentence using the noun form. He decided to buy a car. He made a decision to buy a car. He made a decision to buy a car. Next, she speaks well. Speaks, it is the verb. You have to change this verb into a noun and make some changes to form a sentence. She speaks well. Her speech is good. Noun form of the verb speaks, speech. Her speech is good. Next sentence, Satya explained. This is verb. Satya explained, it is in verb form. You have to change into a noun. What is the noun for explain? Explanation. So frame the sentence now. Satya gave an explanation. Satya gave an explanation. Next sentence, it is a fertile land. It is a fertile land. Fertile, it is an adjective. Change into noun, fertility. So next, then frame the sentence. It is a land of fertility. It is a land of fertility. Decided, decision. Speaks, speech. Explain, explanation. Fertile, fertility. Now you have tried the answers. We shall check the answers afterwards. Now I have written the answers for you. We shall check it. Beautiful, beauty. Breathe, breath. Enter, entrance. Bathe, bath. Familiar, familiarity. Generous, generosity. Dangerous, danger. Accept, acceptance. He decided to buy a car. He made a decision to buy a car. She speaks well. Her speech is good. Satya explained. Satya gave an explanation. It is a fertile land. It is a land of fertility. I believe you all would have understood. If you like this video, subscribe, share and click the bell icon. Thank you.